I'm Jessica Dalcourt with CNET with the Motorola Moto G, a cheap phone that doesn't look like it. This is an Android 4.4 handset. Now this is not the same Moto G that we've seen before. This is actually like the third generation at this point. Looks a lot more like the original Moto X. It's got a 5-inch screen, 720p HD display, not the highest resolution, but it still looks pretty crisp and bright. What I like about this phone is the handheld feel. So I've got a blue cover on this one. There are actually 15 different shades that you can choose from. Just pop it off and pop in another one to add some more character. It's got that signature divot at the back, which is really nice for holding it. You've got a place to put your finger, but be careful because you don't want to stick your finger over the camera lens. Now there is a curve to this phone, so it fits pretty well into your palm. It doesn't fit quite as well into pockets as smaller phones, but I think in terms of size and comfort, it definitely hits that Motorola sweet spot. Now, as for the specs, we've got an 8-megapixel camera on the back with a flash. Image quality is a lot better than you'll see on other cheap phones, but there were a few problems. For example, colors just weren't as rich as they are in real life. Inside, you've got a 1.2 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor. It was pretty fast. Unfortunately, you only have 4G HSPA plus speeds on here. There is no LTE. There are also 8 and 16 gigabyte options with some room for expandable memory. So this phone gives you quite a lot for quite a little, and I'm definitely a fan. I'm Jessica Dalcourt for CNET. You can read even more pros, cons, and see the photos at cnet.com.